Just got back from an audacious little trip. Jay Holiday, keep on following. I love your support. I need you guys to like and subscribe right here. Right here. Super like. Bro. Oh, sorry, was that too much?
Welcome to the impeccable villa.
Do you know about the
Malta!
You're gonna feel that. It's fucking cold, isn't it?
Calamari tasted like fufu. It was dead. Can't disrespect me like that. Man, 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Hopping game. On point. On point. Oi, Chefy, send that right back. Muscles tasting like nah. 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10. What do you know about the Malta shuffle? Tuh. What be this? The seafood was fishy. Boy. You think I'm jumping in there? Kids, don't try this at home. This is simply stupid. My travel insurance says a dip in there, too risky. Big meal, massive. Loved it. Taste that. On my 7 out of 10. Do I look vegan? Nope. Dead meal. Dead. 2 out of 10. Toes wrapped up in socks because my feet are looking crusty. Zup, Yoski. This lamb was looking a bit choppy. Loved it. 7 out of 10, 7 out of 10. Cut mozzarella, save salad. Nope, don't think so. Bye. 3 out of 10, 3 out of 10. Oh God, I gave that an 8. Oh my goodness. Woof, that's like woof.
What did you think?
What did you think?
What did you think?
What did you think?
I thought it was awesome.
What are you asking them, bro?
Bruh. Right here. Super like. Bro.
Oh, sorry, was that too much?